Okay, I got the mask on. What we're getting ready to do is we're getting ready to do these areas here where they're the dry areas. You can see the tapes on the screws. Down in that area there. And got everything ready. So mix the resin. And now you can see pretty clearly in the mirror. Got my mask on. Got my fresh air coming in. So this is a closed area in here. And the fumes will knock your ass out. So that's what we're getting ready to do. Got all my strips cut. So that's it for this video. Say goodnight, Mel. Good night, Mel.